Welcome to your everyday life, where LK Innovation lives.
Meet Ken, LK product expert.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how effortless it is to clean and care for your ezH2O bottle filling station. The name says it all. We've made the surfaces easy to maintain. Mr. Announcer, why don't you walk us through the cleaning steps for each part of the bottle filling station?
Absolutely. We'll start with the plastic surfaces, which have a head start on staying hygienic. Each plastic component has a silver ion antimicrobial protection, which inhibits the growth of mold and mildew, making your job that much easier. For plastic surfaces, these are located on the upper panel and the push bars on the cooler. Wipe the surface clean to remove any debris or buildup. This will not hurt the antimicrobial properties of the material. Use an ordinary mild detergent and a soft cloth. Wipe the surface and towel dry. For electronic displays and sensors, wipe with a soft, dry cloth, preferably microfiber. If it's necessary, lightly mist with deionized water and wipe dry. For the stainless steel surfaces, use an ordinary mild detergent and a soft cloth. Wipe the surface and towel dry. Steel soap pads should never be used. Particles can adhere to the stainless surface, and those eventually will rust. Light scratches in the basin are normal. They will blend into a uniform finish over time. Polyvinyl surfaces are located on the lower section of the cooler. Use an ordinary mild detergent and a soft cloth. Wipe the surface and towel dry.
You can't get more trouble-free than that. The ezH2O is really a snap to maintain, even in the most high-traffic areas such as schools, airports, and fitness centers. Give us a call if you have any questions about your ezH2O bottle filling unit. We're here to help.
Thanks, Ken.
We hope you enjoy the innovations we bring to you and your family, because at LK, our job is to make your life a little easier and a little more amazing. LK,